Good evening. This is Akashvani Kohima. I'm Jonas Yantan with Evening News. The headlines. Akashvani Kohima to officially launch Pochury dialect news from tomorrow. Commissioner and Secretary Health and Family Welfare Y. Kikheto Sema says of the 700 new cancer cases registered, most of them are tobacco-related cases. MP Rajya Sabha S. Phangnon Konyak says the country is witnessing unprecedented change under Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And Nagaland government enhances Dearness Relief to pensioners and family pensioners of the state government from existing rate of 38% to 42%. Now the news in detail. Akashvani Kohima will officially launch the Pochury dialect news from tomorrow. The 10 minutes news will be broadcast live from the primary channel at 11:35 a.m. and relay at Akashvani Kohima FM Dragopan at 11:55 a.m. for 5 minutes. With the addition of Pochury dialect news, regional news unit Akashvani Kohima will now cater to 15 dialect news bulletins besides the 2 regional news bulletins in Nagamese and English. In Nagaland, 700 new cancer cases are registered in hospitals of mostly tobacco-related cases. The state also accounts for second highest tobacco consumption between the ages of 13 to 15 years with 43%. This was informed by Commissioner and Secretary, Health and Family Welfare Y. Kikheto Sema during the observance of World No Tobacco Day held at G. Rio School, Kohima today. Expressing concern over the increase of tobacco users among the youngsters, Kikheto said all sections of the people should be involved in the awareness about the effects of tobacco. He said if awareness is not given to the younger generation, the future will be bleak. Towards this, Kikheto said the state government has taken prompt action in the recent past by declaring all educational institutions and hospitals, both government and private, health offices, including directorate, as tobacco-free zone. He also said the next plan is to declare all government, public offices and institutions as tobacco-free zones. Marking the occasion, the Commissioner and Secretary launched the 60 Days Tobacco-Free Youth campaign for the state. On the occasion, tobacco-free home certificates were given to 105-plus homes across the districts, which include 15 homes from the students of G. Rio School. Nagaland observed World No Tobacco Day today under the theme We Need Food, Not Tobacco. Several programs were organized at schools, colleges, health centers of the district headquarters to mark the day. In Woka, 29 educational institutions and 4 health units received tobacco-free certificates. Yikam village under Woka district was awarded with the best performing tobacco-free village, while 6 schools under Longling district were awarded certificate of tobacco-free school. Union Health Ministry has notified new rules for anti-tobacco warnings on OTT platforms. The notification mandates OTT platforms to carry anti-tobacco warning messages. Every publisher of online curated contents displaying tobacco products or their use shall display anti-tobacco health spots of minimum 30 seconds duration each at the beginning and middle of the program. Strict action will be taken if the publisher of online content fails to comply with the new rules. An inter-ministerial committee consisting of representatives from the Health Ministry, Information and Broadcasting Ministry, and Electronics and IT Ministry shall take action suo motu or on a complaint. The notification comes on the occasion of the World No Tobacco Day being observed today. Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha S. Phangnon Konyak says there has been an unprecedented change in the development of the country ever since Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government came to power. Addressing a press conference at Dimapur on the celebration of 9 years of Modi government, Phangnon said the focus has been on uplifting the downtrodden through various schemes and projects. The MP said the government today has a policy which is focused on developing the nation and follows the policy of nation first. Nagaland government has enhanced the Dearness Relief to pensioners and family pensioners of Government of Nagaland from existing rate of 38% to 42% with effect from 1st of January this year. Payment of Dearness Relief involving a fraction of a rupee would be rounded off to the next higher rupee. The Principal Accountant General, Accounts and Entitlement, Nagaland, directed the Accountant General of all states to make provisions for payment to pensioners of Government of Nagaland drawing pensions under their jurisdiction at the earliest. This news comes to you from Akashvani Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on News On Air app and YouTube channel AIR News Kohima. The Ex-Parliamentarian Association of Nagaland today organized a seminar on Health and Chief Minister's Health Insurance Scheme at Jumukidima. Speaker of the Nagaland Legislative Assembly, Sharingan Longama, said the scheme covers all aspects that benefits the citizens. Minister for Power and Parliamentary Affairs, K.G. Kenye, urged the ex-parliamentarians to contribute and support the government by being proactive members in the affairs of the state. Joint Director and Senior Nodal Officer, Dr. Kikheto Sema, and Deputy Director, Health Department, Dr. J. Sema, were the resource persons. A team of young professionals under Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority Home Department undertook a 3D hazards digital risk mapping for the Meluri subdivision recently. The project aims to bring a 3D hazard risk map to understand historical disaster events of the area and to mitigate future disaster for preventive measures. National Foundation for India, NFI, in collaboration with the Sustainable Development Goal Coordination Center of the Planning and Transformation Department, Nagaland, will be organizing a 2-day in-house training for young leaders in Kohima on 27th and 28th of June. The 2-day training is an effort to identify and bring together 80 dynamic young leaders from all the 16 districts of Nagaland who will be trained on the role of young leaders in localizing sustainable development goals in Nagaland. NFI said the call for applications for the training will close on 5th of June midnight. Interested candidates can apply for the training through the project's website, or for further details, one can contact through utbala.chakma@nfi.org.in or doshi@nfi.org.in. Kohima Forest Division is organizing an online oratorical competition on the occasion of World Environment Day 2023. The competition is open for school children up to class 12 for residents of Kohima and Zeminu districts only. The topic for the maximum duration of 5-minute video is Solutions to Plastic Pollution. Submission of entries will be closed by 3 p.m. of 3rd June. Further name, phone number and school name should be mentioned in the entry and mailed to kohimatfo@gmail.com. The written examination for Combined Technical Services Examination, Medical and Allied 2023 will be conducted from 5th July onwards. The Nagaland Public Service Commission informed the eligible candidates to download admission certificate from June 20 onwards at 12 noon from the website npsc.nagaland.gov.in. Further candidates requiring assistance can call up NPSC Help Desk number 9402988506 on working days from 20th June onwards between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. And now to the news, here are the main points again. Akashvani Kohima to officially launch Pochury dialect news from tomorrow. Commissioner and Secretary Health and Family Welfare Y. Kikheto Sema says of the 700 new cancer cases registered, most of them are tobacco-related cases. MP Rajya Sabha S. Phangnon Konyak says the country is witnessing unprecedented change under the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And Nagaland government enhances Dearness Relief to pensioners and family pensioners of the state government from existing rate of 38% to 42%. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.